I know what you're thinking. Where the fuck have you been? Well, I took 10 of my closest friends to Colombia. And the best part, I collaborated with Stain's World.
Somebody come get this nigga, he smoking that shit again. Still this bitch, that shit sad, I'm finna hit again. Load it up, sit on home, I'm posted up. $1 million home, 10 lines on my account, I still can't call a bitch. Ain't do it all alone, but I still need all of it. Run around me into all of it. Bought my mama a crop burger, like she want ostrich. Being this so she still squirting. I forgot to take the tag off my jacket down. It cost me more than it did the ops a casket. So much hit I almost died.
Look at how the streets are, it's flooded, bro. Right, straight out the airport. But nah, we made it to Colombia, yeah. Shit. Nah, somebody gonna be too lit.
Nosotros tenemos 8 habitaciones. Son estas las que estoy intentando organizar. Yo sé que va a preguntar. Ay, ¿cuándo hoy?
No.
Yo soy hoy.
¿En serio?
Aquella, la 2 y la 11, la que está abajo.
So,
ahorita que baje hoy.
that's what we got to choose. I just asked what's the biggest room. That's nice. Everyone tell her happy birthday too.
What's her birthday? Yeah. Feliz cumpleaños. Hey.
Yo, we could tan out here.
Mwah.
This is nice. We don't gotta be up here too long though.
Oh, we could do a carne asada. Fuck around and do some shit.
Se prende ahí, pero hay. El grillo, se prende ahí.
Sí.
Okay. Of course.
Pero
She only clean though, she ain't cooking.
El asado. No. Y necesitan, se van a hacer un asado. Allá tenemos una parrilla, allá abajo. Que sí se puede subir.
Cool little John. Damn, I wish we had air in here. Where niggas eat at? The kitchen is cool.
Another little room.
Acá tenemos 3 habitaciones. Te voy a mostrar.
It might be mine now. Dang, I need this. Got to use it. Todos los cuartos tienen
Todos tienen aires. Todos los cuartos tienen aire.
The pool.
Yeah, I'ma need this, y'all. Y'all want rumble for it? We can rumble. We can rumble for this room, but I'm rumbling in that room.
It's not bigger than I thought.
Hey.
That's valid.
I love this crib. I love
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Superior Vlogz video. Hey man, look at the crib. Feel me? Cool little crib. I'll show y'all a little bit. So right now, feel me? We bring our bags. We just came back from the airport. So right now we can't really go in the rooms yet because you know they cleaning it up and you know doing everything, turning all the airs on. You feel me? So when we come back around 3, everything should be ready. And right now, look, we ordered 2 taxis, and taxis here is cheap, bro. It's like $3. So right now we about to go to a Centro. You feel me? We have an 8, and then we could get lit. So you feel me? We about to go right now.
Crazy. We at a whole mall with it. This is what we're gonna be doing. And so like our crib is ready, you dig? We about to get some valid eats.
Oh hell yeah!
Valid eats.
Great eats right now. I'm starving, bro. I need some for my sister.
You gotta exchange some bread, cause you don't know if you walking around with American dollars, you won't get got. So you gotta go get your John, you dig?
I forgot to tell y'all that I got like some chicken with rice. It was like sweet and then cheese. It was like 2 chickens, piece of chicken, but it was pretty big. Damn.
You go with air right now.
Niggas eating good. They came a little late, so you feel me? We ate first and when they about to eat this. This shit crazy, I ain't gonna lie. We low-key deep, I ain't gonna cat.
Hey, I'm broke.
No money.
I'm broke when I'm motion.
No money, baby.
I think somebody tried to teach him English, he didn't know what to say. Yo, we could probably go inside the club, they probably open. Also, like, get drinks real quick. Like a bar. Alright, so we officially at the house. So I'm gonna just show y'all my room real quick. You feel me? We got this nice little frame. First, boom, you go in, boom. This is what you see. 1 frame, 2 chairs. Big frame right here. Close the door. So we got a closet right here, big ass closet. Nice bed right here. Air conditioner, cause it's hot. Stairs, I'm gonna show y'all what's up there right now. Then a TV, nice little TV. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Damn. And then boom. Oh my God, I thought it was a real snake, bro. Oh my God, my heart dropped. This is the bathroom. Yeah. Nice little bathroom. Show me.
Sir. Mango eater. Kids. Vibes. ¿Qué es lo que tú dices?
So if it's
Like that, right? We in Colombia or mango. You never see a nigga eating mangoes in
Not the
Colombia.
first one. The first one definitely.
I'm that nigga.
Now you can lay down in the front.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Cuffs locked on wrist, see my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I say yeah, you. Got shorty, she trying to bless me like I said. To the top, to the top, to the top.
Seen a nigga get shot. Niggas quick to run their mouth when they get jabbed. Pussy ass nigga tell it on his own fam.
Dang, guess it was a crazy ass night, man. You can see by the little clips I was posting. Bro, tell me about last night.
Yo, bro, last night was a movie.
Movie.
Word.
Word.
Yeah, bro.
How you feeling?
Bro, it's like, I don't know, bro. My body feel nasty. I drank too much.
Yeah, bro, we need a what?
We need a detox.
Detox OD, and that was the first night type shit. We still got time to go. We still got 5 nights left, you dig?
Yo, what's up? So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of the video, part 1. If you guys can, just go check out my man Stains World. I just collaborated with him in this video. As you guys can see, some clips of his and some clips of mine. He's also posting another video of his way of editing in his channel, Stains World. If you guys can, just go check it out. it's different parts that I didn't put in, so you guys want to check that out also. It's gonna be in the description. You guys go click on his account. He's gonna upload the same time as me, so it should be out. It should be out by the time you guys see this video. And I want to apologize because I've been missing for a little while, and I took a very long time to upload this video. I really apologize, and I am back. So let's get to it, man. I need this video at least to get 50 likes for the part 2. So once we get 50 likes, part 2 gonna be out. Once I see 50 likes, part 2 is out. All right. So it depends on you. So I know you watching this. Just like it just once, bro. For me. Wire. So catch you on part 2. Let's get it.